Purchase your tracks
Alright, what's good YouTube? This is the Anime Demon, and I'm back with another video. It's a Chainsaw Man chapter 93 review. So this chapter is just Denji essentially realizing like he has to choose between being the Chainsaw Man or just living as a regular human. Because if he is the Chainsaw Man, then Makima can come kill him at any time. But just he could live out his life as a regular human, never turning back. If he doesn't become Chainsaw Man, and he decides that he wants to be the Chainsaw Man and that he needs to kill Makima to do it. But she's been his crush this whole time, so he likes her. So, end of the chapter is really just him approaching Makima and them both deciding that they need to kill each other. So, chapter ends with Makima and her goons rolling up on Denji. But Denji's ready. So this is the climax of the story. She is the main antagonist. This is what we've been waiting for. So I can't see the series going past 105 chapters, to be honest. I can't see it going past 105. I don't know. So story's almost over. This is the climax, the big fight we've been waiting for. So there's not much else to report on in this video. So that being said, read Chainsaw Man, like, comment, subscribe, and got nothing else for y'all. So peace.